Hey guys, I made this channel for my tech hobbies, and I don't want to post this stuff on my main channel because my main channel is a music channel. I'll put the link in the description below if you guys are curious about that. The first type of videos I'm going to do on this channel are C++ videos, C++ tutorial videos, and I'm basically going to go through and explain the stuff I did in the community college that I'm currently doing concurrent enrollment in. So the first thing I'll do in these videos is to try to explain the mechanics of the code beforehand. So before, I'll just explain what IO stream is, or what, I don't know, array, int of main, all that stuff, all the little stuff first before we dive into the actual program that I did in class. I'll probably tell you those things and then tell you to do it yourself and then show you this code. And that probably didn't make any sense, but you'll see in the first video. These videos are probably going to be more of a vlog to myself because I'm going to be learning Java once I hit uni or university. I'm also making these videos so I can be a better speaker, even though I'm talking to myself. But I guess I'm talking to you guys. If you haven't, well, I've actually rehearsed this. Embarrassing enough. A few times. I actually stutter a lot and I hesitate when I talk. But anyways, I'll try not to do that. As time goes on, I'm going to get better at this anyway. It's going to be a learning experience for me and you guys. So yeah, I mean, just stick for it. You learn a lot. And try to get through it. Just bear with me. I guess we'll go ahead and dive into the stuff I'm using. The first thing I'm using is Microsoft Visual Studios. This is an IDE, which is an integrated development IDE. Well, anyway, damn it, I forgot what it was. Hold up. I know what it is, I just don't know what it stands for. Integrated Development Environment. Okay. So what that is basically this thing. It's where you put all your code in to for the computer to. No, it's where you put your code in, and the IDE translates your code into machine language, where the computer can read it and do whatever you put in your code. And so yeah, and all programs are algorithms, which an algorithm is a step-by-step process to get to an output, a certain action at the end, or multiple actions within your algorithm. I mean, it can be multi-function algorithms. Then that's not what this is, but we'll eventually get to that. That's some cool stuff. It's really useful. What else? I know I rehearsed this a few times, but I keep forgetting what I need to talk about. I'll make sure to put timestamps in these videos if they get really long. I'm going to try to make these videos short because I see a lot of beginner C++ videos out there that are really long and really boring. So I'll try to make myself not as boring as them. I'll try to add some music in the background or something, or make a few jokes around there, here and there. I don't know what to joke about code. I mean, it's code. It's just words and things put together to make a function happen in a computer. You're basically telling me what a computer to do. A bunch of characters and all that, combinations. Anyway, I'm rambling. One thing I should tell you about is the watermark, probably around here. I don't know. I'm probably completely missing it, or right on. I think I'm right on it. But anyway, it's like around here, and it's really small. I don't think it will bother you guys. I'm using freeware to record this. I won't be able to record in 1080p without the watermark. So it's a small sacrifice for some great quality. Uh, it probably won't get in the way of the code either, because you never want your code to be way out here. You don't want to extend all the way out there, because that's really poor etiquette, and that's really just too much. I mean, if you're gonna work as a coder, computer scientist, computer engineer, you want your code to be concise and easily understandable for other coders, and especially yourself. I mean, you might want to go back and change something. Like, you might have your boss says to I don't know, change the size of the array in this to like 20 instead of 10, and you put this somewhere randomly, like somewhere off to the side over here or something, where you can never find it in this. It's just really, it's a pain in the ass. If you need to organize yourself. If you're really not organized, this is the time you need to start organizing yourself, because you'll be screwing yourself over if you just don't organize yourself. It's just not proper etiquette, and in the coding world, everyone gets really pissed at you. Well, at least the closed-minded coders get really pissed at you. I mean, the open-minded coders are fine with it. I mean, they correct you and they help you out, like I am. So, yeah, don't listen to what I say. Don't listen to what I say. No, listen to what I say about your etiquette and all the syntax. You're gonna make a lot of syntax errors going into this. It's like a lot like English. If you're bad at grammar, it might be a little hard for you. But I mean, it's code. It's not exactly like a bunch of sentences. It's a lot more concise and a lot easier to understand and a lot more fun and a lot more useful. Okay, a lot of English people just probably got pissed at that, but yeah, code is great. So, and if you happen to be an expert, or actually anyone that knows C++ really well, it would mean a lot to me if you correct me in these videos, and it'll mean a lot to the people watching this, because if I teach them the wrong thing, then that's a bad thing. So make sure, help me out. Basically what I'm saying. I'm not an expert. I mean, I try to teach myself before the class, and I got a pretty good foothold before the class, and I'm doing really well in this class. It's so easy. I mean, I could code all day. I think that's it, really. Oh, crap. Since Microsoft Visual Studios is did I explain this already? I don't think I did. Since Microsoft Visual Studios is a lot of money, there's a free program out there called DevC++. I'll put the link in the description. It's by Orwell or Ordell. I forgot. Anyways, props whoever made this. It's amazing. It basically does the same exact thing as Microsoft Visual Studios. It's just harder to look at. It hurts my eyes. And I just like this better to present information. It's just a lot more warm, and this one's a lot more cold. Those describing words, though. Basically, the only features we're probably going to use is the compile and run feature right here, F11. It's the same thing here. Microsoft does it differently because Microsoft wants to be different for some reason. It's called start without debugging. It's Control plus F5. They literally do the same exact thing. Same thing. You can be a pro at this or a pro at this. It doesn't matter. It helps a lot if you just go over and hover over all the little things. You can learn little secret shortcuts and all that by doing this. If you happen to have Visual Studios, then that's great. I think it's like $400, but I got this for free, but it's only for 90 days because I'm still in the class right now. It's about the end, so I should hurry up and finish it, and plus I'm going to be going to university soon, so I need to hurry up and finish these as well. furnish these videos. And I think that's it. I hope you guys will enjoy these series, and I hope you guys learn a lot from these. So I hope you guys enjoy them. Thank you.